Hey, what's up, peeps? So today I'm gonna give you some quick and easy breakfast ideas so we can make in the morning, very fast and easy, healthy, full of vitamins, nutrients, mineral, all the stuff that your body needs throughout the day. So guys, let's go into the video. So the thing is, a lot of time we're busy. If you guys are busy the way I am, with 5 children and just running from one job to another, so it's hard sometimes you forget to eat breakfast, and before you know it, you start craving and eating everything, any and everything on the road. So guys, this is an easy breakfast that I make every morning. For the past 6 months I've been making this breakfast. I've lost over 55 pounds while eating this, and I feel way better. I reverse high insulin, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, high platelet, and the list goes on. So guys, let's see. So today we are gonna make a breakfast bowl. It is quick and easy, less than 5 minutes to make, very fast. So what today, our ingredients that we're gonna use in here, we have turmeric with a little bit of black pepper to activate the turmeric. We have some fresh diced garlic and ginger. We have flaxseed, lots of health benefits. We have chia seed packed with omega-3 fatty acid. We have some raspberry. I have pecans and some almonds and blueberries with a little bit of banana, like a half a banana. I try not to use a lot of banana because banana is really sweet, and I try not to spike my blood sugar, so I keep it low GI fruits. So right now I'm adding everything, all the ingredients to the bowl. So I had my raspberry, and I have 2 dates in there because the date, I like sweet, and the date gives me a little kick, that little sweet that I'm missing. Try dates. So I'm adding my flaxseed, tons of health benefits, lots of fiber. We're gonna add our chia seed, anti-inflammatory. You guys know it's high in omega-3, calcium, protein, fiber. We're gonna add our garlic, antifungal, antiviral. Garlic is my go-to. I have garlic. I eat garlic three times a day. I have to have my garlic. And right now I'm adding my nuts to it. And it promotes weight loss. Just eat it in moderation. I don't eat too much nuts because it's high in fat content. Also, turmeric and my black pepper. I gotta have turmeric with everything. And I just had a few pieces of banana. I mix everything together. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add like a 1/4 cup of warm water to it, and I just add some warm water to that. So the thing is, when the hot water catch the chia seed, it's gonna swell up. It's gonna give it a nice consistency. So what I do, I put it in my Ninja, have it blend for 2 seconds because I need it to be crunchy. So I put it in the Ninja to chop it up a little bit, to chop up the fruits, give it a better mixture. And this is what it looks like. That's what the finishing product looks like. It tastes amazing. It tastes delicious. And the good thing is, this breakfast is a power breakfast. You have your vitamins, your calcium, your minerals, your fiber. Everything is in this bowl that your body needs to get you throughout the day. And when I eat this breakfast, I'm not hungry again until 5-6 hours later, I eat dinner. So that keeps me all day. As always, thank you for watching. Hey guys, good morning. So this morning I will be cooking some quick and easy pancake. So guys, this is very easy and simple. It's plant-based, and what I'm using today, I'm gonna use 1.5 cups of water. I'm gonna use some old-fashioned oats. I'm gonna use 1 cup of tofu, and I am using 3 tablespoons of nuts or seeds. You can use any nuts of your choice. So I am using today, I'm going to use some almonds and 1.5 teaspoon of sweetener of your choice. You can use honey, maple syrup, or if you don't want no sweet at all, you don't have to put no sweetener, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So with that being said, let's blend everything up. So all this is gonna go in the blender. I already put the salt in the blender. So after I blend everything smoothly, I leave it to sit because it's kind of liquidy. So I'm gonna let it sit here for like 10 or 20 minutes so it can get a little thicker with the oatmeal before I start put it on the waffle maker. Just pour it on the waffle maker and flip, and easy peasy lemon squeezy. Nice and delicious. As always guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video.